Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we compare, contrast, and sometimes just plain roast products to help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two heavyweights from ELEGOO. On the left, we have the ELEGOO Saturn 3D printer, and on the right, the ELEGOO Saturn 12K MSLA 3D printer. It's a battle of the Saturns, and trust me, it's gonna be out of this world. Rock it! First up, let's talk about the all-important price. On the left, we have the Saturn 3D printer coming in at $352. Not too shabby, right? But hold on to your wallets, because the Saturn 312K MSLA on the right is priced at $399. That's right, folks, for an extra 47 bucks, you can buy, well, a lot of things actually. But is it worth it for the printer? Let's find out. Both these bad boys sport a 10-inch 12K mono LCD screen with a jaw-dropping resolution of 11,520 by 5,120. They're like the Super Bowl of screens. But here's the kicker. The Saturn 3 on the left has a 9H hardness tempered glass protecting it, whereas the Saturn 312K MSLA on the right boasts a 9H hardness tempered film. So you're basically choosing between glass and film. It's like deciding between Superman and Batman. They both get the job done, but you know who you're rooting for. Man superhero. Now, for you ambitious builders out there, let's look at the build volume. The Saturn 3 on the left offers a generous 218.88 x 122.88 x 250 mm cubed build volume. But wait, the Saturn 312K MSLA on the right has the exact same build volume. Yup, it's like comparing twins. They look the same, they act the same, but one just thinks they're a bit fancier because of a higher price tag. Face with rolling eyes. Let's shed some light on the light source. The Saturn 3 on the left uses a COB light source with a Fresnel collimating lens, achieving over 90% light uniformity. Impressive, right? Well, the Saturn 312K MSLA on the right, one ups it with a COB UV light source and Fresnel collimating lens that boasts over 92% light uniformity. It's like being in a light show, where 2% more uniformity makes all the difference. And hey, the right one even has a unique heat dissipation system. Because, nobody likes a hothead, even in 3D printers. Cold sweat smile. Both printers come equipped with Voxel Dance Tango slicing software, offering 3 printing modes: static, dynamic, and high speed. It's like having a car that can switch from eco mode to sport mode. But let's be honest, we all know everyone's just going to leave it on high-speed mode and hope for the best. Racing car running dash. But wait, there's more. The Saturn 312K MSLA on the right comes with great after-sales service, promising a reply within 24 hours. It's like having a personal 3D printing butler, man in tuxedo. And they even throw in some printing tips, because who doesn't love a good tip? Meanwhile, the Saturn 3 on the left is like, you're on your own, buddy. Reviewers praise the ELEGOO Saturn 3D printer for its ease of setup, large build area, and quiet operation. Users love the high-quality prints and efficient performance, though some minor improvements, like a drip bracket and tempered glass cover, are suggested. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Saturn 312K MSLA 3D printer is lauded for its high-quality prints, excellent customer service, and reliable Wi-Fi connectivity. Some users experienced issues like forgetting the Z height and defective parts, but overall, the product is highly recommended for its durability, ease of use, and impressive print quality. So there you have it, folks. The ELEGOO Saturn 3D printer on the left and the ELEGOO Saturn 12K MSLA 3D printer on the right. Both are stellar options, but it really comes down to whether you want to splurge a bit more for those extra features and that fancy after-sales service. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Scissor.